Morning students, today we are going to understand the word problems of subtraction. Now the first example, find the number which is 13,602 less than 26,504. What you have to keep in mind, this keyword has been given here, less than. Less than means subtract. So you subtract this from this and the required number comes with this. When 12,902 and 13,602 will be added, you will get the same answer as your checking part. Okay, so example 2, find the number which is 11,579 more than. So from more than, you easily understand more means add, so you have to add here. And the opposite of addition, how do you check? It's subtraction. Whatever the answer you get, you subtract this from this. You remember MSD Mahendra Singh Dhoni, so you will get this answer. What should be added to this to get 10,000? I mean, in 6,827, what we should add so that we get 10,000? Since we don't know what we have to add, so what we do, from total we subtract. So from 10,000 we subtract 6,827 and the answer is 3,173. When you add these two, the total becomes 10,000. Got my point? So few remember point you should remember. To find the smaller number we have to subtract. To find greater number we have to add. We subtract when we have to find the number to be added. Okay. Now the sum of two number is this. If one number is this, find the other. Now sum means add. Sum of two number is this. This is total. The two numbers, one is this. You have to find the second. So from the total you subtract this to get the second. You got it? How to recheck? You add this and this number and you will get 68,750. That is how you recheck. Come to word problem one more. Rohan bought a TV set for rupees 18,750 and a fridge for rupees 19,210. He gave the shopkeeper a check of rupees 40,000. How much amount did he get back from the shopkeeper? So total, how much what Rohan bought? One TV for this much and one fridge for this much. So cost of TV, cost of fridge. Total amount of purchase, total he bought, the amount is 37,960 and he gave a check of 40,000. So how much amount did he get back? So we subtract it and this is the amount that he get back. Okay, so Rohan got back 2,040 rupees. Now the first example which you have gone through, this is a similar. More than, less than means you have to subtract and add. What should be added? What should be added to this to get this? You subtract in these kinds of question. Now question 3 says population of Nainital is this much and the population of Ranikhet is this much. Which town has greater population? Greater means we have to compare. This is greater or this is greater, and by how much you subtract. What should be added to this to get this? You will be able to do it if you have understood the video. The difference of two numbers is given. Okay, the greater number is this, find the smaller number. Difference is given. Greater is this. Which one is the smaller? Try this out. It's very easy. Mr. Khurana's annual income is this. Mr. Agrawal's annual income is this. Less than Khurana's income. Income of Khurana is this. And Agrawal's income is this much less than Khurana's income. So less than means you understood what you have to do. So what is Mr. Agrawal's annual income? You have to find. Mr. Raju had 4 lakh. He donated this much to National Defense and this much to Earthquake Fund. How much money is left? Left means whenever there is a left, you have to subtract. But how? Total amount that Raju had is this much. This and this amount has been donated. So you add these two. And then you subtract from 4 lakh. The money, the answer which comes is the money left with Mr. Raja. Sorry, it's not Raju, Raja. A petrol pump sold this much liters of petrol on Monday, itna liters of Tuesday and itna liters of Wednesday. If he had 60,000 liters of petrol on Monday morning how much petrol was there on Thursday. So Monday total liters of petrol is this. Monday this much sold, itna on Monday, then itna on Tuesday, itna on Wednesday. This is the sale of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And in the morning of Monday he had total liters this much. So Thursday morning how much does he have? Very simple. Please follow question number 7. A dairy collects liters of milk on Sunday. It supplies 18,630 liters of milk in one colony A and itna liters of milk in another colony B. The rest of the milk was supplied to Ashoka Sweets. Find the quantity of milk supplied to Ashoka Sweets. Total liters of milk given, 2 colonies value is given. You have to find how much goes to the Ashoka Sweet. Very easy, try it. In a school there are this many students, out of which itna girls. Find the number of boys. How many more girls than boys are there in the school? Total students given, girls is given. You exclude the girls from the total students, you will get the number of boys. Then you compare them. How many more girls? In this case you have to subtract. So these are the kinds of questions that you will be getting it. So go through it and wait for the assignment. Stay safe. God bless.